I was provided this by the brand MaryRuth. This is the Skin Restore and Renew. And for my opinion, what I think about this product, and I would say as a woman of a more mature age, it's never too late to start adding something for within for your skin, as well as your regular skincare routine. And I've been adding this to my daily routine. I shake it really well first, and then I take 2 tablespoons per day, and then I refrigerate it. It says that it's for 18 years and above. The blackberry jam flavor is the most delicious of all the MaryRuth's that I've tried, and I've tried quite a few, and I am still taking a couple of others, one in the morning and one in the evening, and now I started taking this one. And so again, you shake it first. I take 2 tablespoons, and I would say that it's a little bit thick, but not overly thick, and I think that's really good. Hopefully I won't spill now on camera. No, it's a little bit thick, as you can see, and it is absolutely delicious. And I was surprised how sweet it is. I love the sweetness myself, and knowing that it doesn't have any sugar, but it does have some added flavorings and added sweeteners to make it sweet, but no added sugar. So it says in here that it has something trademark called CP tone, but it says that it's been studied in women for supporting skin elasticity and firmness with continued use, along with hyaluronic acid for skin hydration, and it also has vitamin C to help support with normal collagen production. Here's one thing that I like, and maybe you'll like as well. It does have vegan-friendly collagen-related amino acids, which I love, and it does have one small downside, and that is that this bottle is a 15-day supply, meaning if you take 2 tablespoons, yes, it's a 15-day supply, so I'm gonna have to get another bottle to finish my 30-day supply. So that's the only downside that I see. Not that bad for me, honestly. For me, this has been the most easy addition to my wellness, as well as supporting my skincare routine. It tastes delicious. It doesn't have sugar. It has vegan-related collagen. It has some studies regarding the skin elasticity. That's what it says. And I intend to continue using it.